Well, here's my next project. This is a 94 XJ12. I was going to build a Tbucket out of it. It's got 100,000 miles on it. V12. Good tires and wheels. It's actually in really good shape. I was expecting it to be really bad, but it'd be a shame to cut this up and to make a rat rod out of it. I don't have any dents in it. A couple little pea-sized ones. The wheels are like new. Interior's like new. It's a super good shape. I think it's got a bad sensor. It's not idling right, but it's a really nice car. Interior's got a little boopity-doo over there on the seat. All the electrical works. All the vacuum works. Mirrors work. Everything works. Got a real nice V12 motor in it. Runs good. It's got a little clunking in one of the shocks. I bought it. It's gonna make me a V12 rat rod out of it, but it's really a shame to cut up such a nice car. You know, if it was rusted out, that'd be one thing. It's got some bubbling here and only on the hood in the clear. So I think what I'm going to do is just re-clear that hood. Don't have to do the whole car. I've got 2 dents in it about this size right here. That's the only thing wrong with a whole damn car. It's got 100,000 miles on it. I think it's probably worth 5, 6, 7 grand. I've got a missing piece there on the door, but I have that in the trunk. Shame to cut it up for a rat rod. So I do have some fuel injection issues. I'll make a video on what I do to fix that. I'll just make this a project car. Runs and drives good. Got current license plates, registration. It's just a shame to cut it up. Anyway, after our fire, that's what's left. They got it all cleaned up real good. Everything's gone, just that last junk part over there. And got a lot of cars here that this all belonged to one guy. I built that Volkswagen there. It's a Volkswagen on a Corvette. Sold it to him. It kind of got burnt, but I think the owner's going to put another building in here. We'll see. Some of the stuff, some of his old trucks and everything are saved, but anyway, it's going to be raining here next few days. I got my Dodge tarped up, got the Border Patrol tarped up and under a canvas. This will all be good. So we'll upload this and see what happens on our next project. Well, here's the next thing. It was showing me a fuse fault. I checked all the fuses and they were all good. And it turns out that it was showing that the electrical fault and fuse meant it was a bulb. So here's the bulb. It's just got a plastic cover on it. I'll put it back together and show you what it did. I'll replace this bulb first. Turns out these are all single terminal bulbs. I just happen to have a bunch of them. I thought it was going to be a double filament like this, but looks like it's running two, one for each tail light, brake light, and looks like all these bulbs are kind of dark, but I'll find another one to stick in there and see if we can get it to work. Well, I had another old bulb. It was in good shape. I haven't really checked these, but this goes on here. Then we got an inner thing. It's got these little things that hold a inside light on. Seems like way overkill. I'll just tighten these up. Then this cover goes on here, like so. And then two more doohickeys here. And that's it. Now both bulbs are working, and I should have all my error codes done in here. Yeah, it was blinking real fast before. You can see it now. It's both sides are the same. It's got a little electrical symbol right there. It's still not going out. It's still telling me fuse 1. And electrical symbols. But left is correct. Right is correct. Fuse 1 is over on there. But there's like 30 of them. I checked them all. They're good. I'm going to shut it off completely. See if that thing goes out. No, it's still on. And the thing is still telling me fuse 1. So looks like the bulb didn't fix it. Might have something else going on. But I got all my my error codes and everything out. It's still idling kind of rough. You can see there by the tachometer. Touch it, runs up good. I put some fuel cleaner in it. Fuel injector cleaner. It was just Berryman B12, but it's running really good and smooth. There it missed a little. If it was wandering around at idle, I think the idle control valve might be a little gummy, but it's holding right now. It's not Yeah, when you let go, it goes down to 800. But it's holding real steady. Not really missing. I can hear it and feel it in the car. It's got a little bit of mess in it, but seems to idle and run real good. I let it down slow. It's holding right about 1100, 1050. I let it drop off, then it's going down to about 750, 770, and I can feel a little miss in it. Now it's stumbling. But that fuel treatment cleaner is knocking that out pretty good. I'm going to continue seeing if I can get this electrical fault. It tells me, you know, it's got a fuse 1 according to the manual, is passenger side, and then there's another driver's side one over here. But I've already checked all those fuses once and they all look good. It could be that, you know, like I said, the fuses are good, so it's probably telling me that there's a bulb out or something. So I'll see if I can figure out what's going on. See, now it started missing. But I'm going to turn on the headlights and everything. You can see the alternator dropping down real good now. Put my foot on it. With the lights on, it's stumbling. You can barely feel it in the car, but it is missing. I'll take a look here at the headlights. They both look like it's got good headlights. Marker lights is alright. This marker light's good. Got one tail light, two tail lights. That marker light's good. This marker light's good. This headlight's good. You can hear it idling a little bit weird. That fuel injector cleaner is making a big difference. So I can smell it back here. I think these are just reflectors. Let's see if this high beam is. I'm not real sure how to do that. Two position switch here. That's parking lights. This is headlights. Oh, here's the turn signals. You can see out there, that's the, let's see if I got both brights. Looks like both brights are on. Don't know. Looks like everything's working the way it should. Really don't like them tail lights. They're not very bright. And they were kind of black looking. Got both the license plate lights here. Don't know. I'll have to troubleshoot it a little more. Here's my $200 truck. Yeah. All the turn signals are working. Well, now it's I don't see one on the right. I do have the right turn signal on. No, it's working. I'm getting some kind of a looks like a load short or something in this light here. Might be a bad ground. I'll pull all these lights out of here and squirt some WD-40 in them. Make sure, because they're making good connection. Motor's running better and better all the time. Anyway, we'll shut it off. Seems to be idling good. Once it sets a while, then it starts to act kind of funny. This VCM thing, alright, just shows me fuse 1. Turn it back on. Should have my electrical light still on. If I hit my vehicle control module, it comes up with fuse 1 again. I'll check those again. Anyway, we'll just press on.